Hi, in this video we are explaining how to go to Amsterdam from the Schiphol airport. So we assume now you have already bought the ticket beforehand or at the Schiphol airport. Now we will guide you on how to go to Amsterdam.
And after getting the ticket, you have to go to the Schiphol railway station, which is underneath the arrival terminal. So here I am showing the train schedules and also the lift where you can go down to the Schiphol railway station. So you can take the lift here after checking the timetable, or you can take the escalator downstairs. So all of these things are next to the train tickets and services in the Schiphol airport. And don't forget to check in with your train ticket using one of these machines to the train before going down to the train station. Okay, and then the last step is to select the platform that you have to get the train and then go down from here. So here I see platform 3 and 4, and further away platform 1 and 2. And also I see here platform 5 and 6. So please make sure you go to the correct platform and get the train at the Schiphol Airport arrival hall, going down and taking the train from the Schiphol railway station.